Welcome back, guys. So this is SVK. So now this is the session third. It means to session first. You can counter either session first. So now last class we covered some basic command about the CP, ch grep, ch own, ch mode, cd, and cat as well, and number how can printed. So now today's topic is what is that? Today's we have some commands. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Yeah, okay. So now today we have command like in the session we have one more command called du. Du. Du means command is check that what is that display that play the disk uses disk usage or file file or folder. So means du means disk uses. How we can use that? So in that command du hyphen sh and pass that home. Suppose we are passing home slash user. Now we can see how the du command is using. Let's see this connected to MOVA. Now I'm connected to MOVA. So sudo hyphen I the root user I want to go ls. Is there anything? No. Tree is there. Tree I have installed. Not installed. So first you can install tree yum install tree hyphen y means don't worry about this command. I will explain in the upcoming session. So this meaning yum install tree hyphen by means it will not ask for the further confirmation. Single click, it is done. Now here just this is the binary. This is the binary which here you can see where it's installed, which tree. Now, inside the bin directory, it's installed. That's something. Okay. Now my command is I am going to use that du hyphen sh was that home root directory, na? Root slash like that 24K. Like this, we are using 24K users we are. Now I want to show something else. Okay, create make mkdir test. No, Vivek file Vivek one directory created. I want the cd Vivek one directory and just check it disk uses sh disk uses one root class Vivek. Let's see. Now it's right now it's using 0K, not using anything from your disk. Now I want to create some like create one file, vi test one dot txt and hit insert the check the du command. Okay, this is SVK from ITSP world, right? So now click on escape colon WQ. See what is it. Now let's execute du hyphen sh slash root slash Vivek one. Now right now it's using 0.4.0K. Now this is the use of du. Now next command is this is clear. Now next is this is the seventh number of command and eighth number of command is uh, df. Df means display the free dex. Display the okay. Display that it means display the free disk, right? So by using this command df-h, like that. Yeah, right. Now go inside this. Let's see how much free disk is available. df-h. Now, right now, its free disk is user 00 WTMFS WTMS available is that GB is 90% is users, 80% is users, root user mounted on this. Like that we have. Now next command is what is that? Command ninth command is F S C K means FSCK means check and repair the file system. Check and repair the file system. Checks and repair file system. Correct? So now how you can execute this command? Now suppose we have repair of file system, so we just put it FSK in the root user and pass that some file like deb and SVK repair or check that file system. Now let's go inside this. Uh-huh. We have this. Now we pass this one, right? Yes. F yes C K. Insert it. Now let's see. Here you can see that FSK from unit until Linux 2.3 fsk.fat. Dativit is set. FS was not properly unmounted and some data may be corrupted. Remove the dativit. No action. No action. I want to prepare. No workout. Anything. Dub verifies something like that. Okay. Now next df hyphen h. Now nothing it's happened inside this because you can check just repair or something. Next command is what is the next command is? And 10 is what is the 10th command is file. File means you can say it file. Identify the file type. Identify the file type, right? So what is that command? How we can execute like that file, the file command, and my script dot sh. Now let's hit. Just I'm creating one file. Okay. Now ls we have one file text tst. So what is that file we created? Like file extension. Test one dot. Yes, this is the sky here. You can see the sky. Now I want to create one more file like with a text file. Vi itsp itsp shell script dot sh echo zip echo. This is the script, right? And colon w q. Hit enter. Now let check this file type of file itsp.script. Now here is the also Skype and a text file. Right that. So now I want to create one more file called vidb.csv. Okay. Shift insert the the okay and escape colon wq. Let's see. Okay, file db.csv not found. File db dot no here db.csv file is also still. Now like that you can search it. Now next command is 11th command is there. Mhm. 11th command is in. Hmm. What is that? Right it. What is that? 11th command is in. Create a hard or symbolic link. What is that meaning? Hard and symbolic link. Number what is that? 11. What is that in command? So in means creates hard or symbolic link. Links. Hard and symbolic links. So means in like that in like we created one file like test one dot txt and link one. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. What is that command? Okay. What is that command, guys? Command is what is that? In. So in file we have test dot one and link right now. Link one we connected. Link one we connected. Now in is okay in. Think this one. Test one txt link is now no command is found. I think it's ln link the ln test one dot txt link right right now three csp2 like that we have so ls now next command is ls. I think we already discussed about the ls but I'm with ls means ls just list the content of directories contains of directories list contain of directories dir like we have some three type of flavor ls hyphen a ls ls hyphen la l a l like that. Okay. Now let's see ls just click that files ls hyphen l ls hyphen la all like that we have these files. So link one is there, read write text is there. Link means same file and this is also is the now let's cat link one now same data is available inside this. It's link between this file to this file. If you delete the link file, like directory, how to delete a file? Anyone know? rm remove. Okay, link one. Let's see. Yes, remove ls, ls hyphen l. Now here text is there. Okay, now I want to create one or ln link like test one dot txt. One scenario I am going to see. Suppose link one I have created. Now ls hyphen el. You can see link is there. Now I need to delete test one dot txt. I am just going to delete this one. Now what happened? What happened? Link file should be deleted. Sure now. So RM not required to test one list. Now yes. Okay, it's deleted. Now ls hyphen l. Let's see. Link is available, but it should be deleted. Huh? It should, but it's not deleting. What its functionality is, it should be deleted. Now let's see the data is available or not. Cat link one user. Now data is also available, correct? Okay, so now this is the link functionality. It means something like copy that, right? Correct? Okay, now next command is ISOF list open files. List open files. Okay, suppose here. Okay, so now 12 I think. ठीक है बनी रहने दो. LSOF LS off means होता है list open file list open files. What is that command we going to use? ls of hyphen or grab file dot txt. Suppose we are passing file dot txt. Now just go and try to ls of execute ls of py symbol grab that and file. What is that file we need to add? Like link what? Let's see. Ls off, not found. Ls off, right? ls off. What's a list now? Rip or like grip open the file. I think so. db dot c csv. So the file. Okay, don't worry about this. Just mark this. Okay, let's search from here. The Google also ls of command list open file, right? ls of is a command meaning list of which is used for many Unix like a system report or list open file on the process Wikipedia kind of thing that had list open to root. See ls hyphen run. Let's see. Test it. Enter. Not okay. It's something. Not on cd dot. Hmm. Okay, just skip. You can. Theoretically, you can here see this command is using admin like user open files. You can also discover what file a particular user has opened. It's being actively accessed. Not on it. Okay, it's okay, fine to us. Just skip this command. Going to the next command is the make directory. Make directory is the simple command. Uh, 13 number command. mkdir. mkdir. How it's mkdir work internally. I will explain some other section. One command I will take and I will explain how this internally it how it internally works. Okay, make dir means create a directory. Create a directory, right? Create a directory. I have created so many times now. Mount. One command is 14 command is mount. Mount. Uh, Anyone know about the mount means? Mount a file system, right? Okay. By using mount command, mount the file system. Mount the data also mount file system. Now, how the mount is happen? Now let's see. Okay. Mount. So mount, mount. कहाँ पे माउंट करना dev. Suppose I want to mount the file system dev. sd v1 mlt. कहाँ पे mnt टाइम पे अगर के कुछ भी माउंट करना हो मेरे को ये फाइल इस लोकेशन पे माउंट हो जाए. Just df hyphen h. Okay, this one I want to mount. Okay, I want to mount command, mount. Okay, slash dev slash sd or like xvda1, 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 xvda1 is not there, 2 is there 2, xvda2. Okay, no, slash time. Okay, now df hyphen h. Now file system 70 time fs. Now it's not mounted, I think so. Time is mounted. Now let's one more thing I want to do. What is that? Mount hyphen pi. Grab. What is that? XVD1. Yeah. So VDA2. XVDA2. No, which file system? Sticks. Time is on type time. Okay. Now I want to show you temp here. The previously we have shown the mounted on boot EFI. EFI right now is mounted on temp. So this is the meaning of mounted. So I hope it's clear. Now next command is what is that? Next command is 15. Command number 15 is mounted. After the mounted, we can use nothing but a move. MB means move or rename name the file or directory. ठीक है? So I want to move MB. Like here we can pass the source, here we can pass the destination. ठीक है? MB hyphen, you can just change the name of as well. Okay. Like suppose we have a file like old file. Here we pass old name and new name. Txt new txt. Just I have moved this file. I'm just creating these commands to explain. So now ls like cd vivek one okay, I have created one file mk dir vivek 2 created and cd vivek 2 go inside that create vi test dot test2 dot txt and insert this is Vivek 2 testing with MB command in Linux, right? So now escape colon WQ. Now just print a tree like I need to go back. Okay, tree inside the tree. Now we have one Vivek file text. Now I want to Vivek one and dot CSV file move to this directory. So I want to move. Copy command we have already discussed, but move means it will remove from here and come. It will available to be here. Okay. So now let's do that. What is that? Mhm. MB. First we need to see the PWD. PWD, I will just explain this command. It's to print the current working directory. Print the working directory root. Right now we are in the root, so we start path with root. So move कहाँ पे source is this is our source Vivek one. So slash root Vivek one and which file I want to db.csv and path is root Vivek 2. Now just hit enter. Tree. Let's see tree. Now here it's moved here to here. So now go inside that file. CD dot Vivek to CD Vivek to right. Okay. ls hyphen l. Now we have read formation. Now I want to rename this db.csv to bvec.csv. So now mb नहीं mb db dot csv को data dot csv I need to change. Now let's see. Just less hyphen l. Here you can see it's changed. No name is changed. So this is about that move command. So now next is pwd we have discussed. Rm and next command is rm. What is that command is rm. We in this session we have discussed about 15 command. I think this is 16. No? 16 rm means remove the directory, remove the file, remove the file. How we have shown rm hyphen file name test one.txt and file will be remove it. Now 17 command is not required to show you. Rm hyphen rm hyphen dir. This is means directory. Remove the directory. Remove the directory means folder. Remove the directory. So how we can remove rm hyphen dir and directory name? Suppose Vivek one I am going to pass. So here one thing you should remember, if Vivek one should have empty directory. Empty directory should have. Then it will remove. Otherwise, otherwise it give the error, give the error, error like directory not empty. Directory not empty. I will show that example. So let's go inside this example. Now I want to rm. I have shown you. Now I want to cd dot dot and tree. So RMDIR Vivek 2. I need to Vivek 1 also, but it's directory not empty, right? So first we need to empty the directory, then you will be able to delete it. But now one thing is missing here. Just inside this directory, you forcefully you can remove it. So one command and second command is rm hyphen dir hyphen 4rf, forcefully remove rf. Vivek 1. It should be removed like that. Let's see. Let's see what happened. It will delete it or not. So what is that? rm dir hyphen rf. If rf is not, if it is wrong, then I will check how we can check. Vivek 1. Let's delete it. Now here rm hyphen dir hyphen. Now rm dir rm dir unrecognized version fr fr. I think I think f. Let's see. Let's see. Now just click on hyphen help. Now like that we can see. Now this one for here. Remove this one and hit this enter. Now here we can see that ignore file directory, rm directory, option directory name, right? Remove the directory like that. Hyphen rm dir hyphen rf directory name vv. I need to delete. Let's see. Delete force hyphen rm hyphen rf. Okay. Now not rm hyphen rf Vivek one. Now let's see. Now it's deleted. Now let's see. Now here Vivek 2 is deleted. Not this count, sorry. Okay, just not a directory. You can remove by using but eraser is where eraser I think it's a scale automatically. Okay, eraser I think ये ना ठीक है rm hyphen ठीक है rm hyphen rf. So by using rm, you can forcefully delete that. You can forcefully delete that file, directory, whatever you want to delete by using -rf. So now I think it's clear. Okay. So one more command is there, touch. So touch means command 18, 18 touch. Touch means create empty file, correct? Or update the text. So we need to create one touch inside the directory. It will create a touch test 3.txt. Now tree, now here touch is available. So now this is the empty file. It will create it. Empty directory if you want, you can create it. Okay, touch Vivek 1, touch Vivek 1. Now tree cd Vivek 1. This is a not directory. We are not giving that any extension kind of thing. That's why it's not. So this is touch command is completed. So now I hope it's up to this 20 command we have discussed, 20 to 80 commands we have discussed in the two sessions. So next session we will discuss more commands, guys, more commands. So commands number this one, I think so. Wait it. Data is not able. It's okay. Fine, fine, fine to me. I will show you the next session. So first part related to file. We completed all this. Linux command. Next session we are going to plan some other commands. Up to this is clear. So now it's clear. I will share at the end of all these commands notes. Okay. So thank you. We will meet in the next session. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thanks.